Hey there! Let's dive into the fascinating world of the youngest billionaires in 2024. These individuals have made a name for themselves by amassing vast wealth at a remarkably young age. Their stories are not just about money, they're about innovation and the power of youth. One of the most prominent names on this list is Kevin David Lehman, a 25-year-old German entrepreneur. At the tender age of 19, he co-founded a company called Flink, a grocery delivery service that operates in Germany, the Netherlands, and France. Flink's rapid growth and success have propelled Lehman to billionaire status, making him one of the youngest self-made billionaires in the world. Another inspiring story is that of Sam Bankman-Fried, a 29-year-old American entrepreneur. Bankman-Fried is the founder and CEO of FTX, a cryptocurrency exchange that has taken the financial world by storm. FTX's innovative platform and user-friendly interface have attracted millions of users, making Bankman-Fried a billionaire several times over. In the realm of fashion and beauty, Kylie Jenner stands out as a true trailblazer. At just 24 years old, she has built a cosmetics empire that has made her one of the youngest self-made billionaires ever. Jenner's company, Kylie Cosmetics, has revolutionized the beauty industry with its innovative products and savvy marketing strategies. These are just a few examples of the remarkable young individuals who have made it to the top of the billionaire list. Their stories are a testament to the power of ambition, hard work, and the ability to seize opportunities. They're also a reminder that age is just a number when it comes to achieving great things. Kindly like, share, and follow or subscribe for more entertaining videos.